this topic is differential equations. So first we will start with the definition. Then order and degree. Then the next topic will be how to form differential equation. Next is solution of differential equations. In this there are three methods. First is variable separable method. Second is homogeneous equation, and in the third method, this is linear differential equations. In this, it has further two types, that is differential equations of the form dy by dx plus py equals to q and dx over dy plus px equals to q. So these are the topics we will study in differential equations. Okay, so let's start with the first topic, that is how we will define differential equation, or how we will classify that this is a differential equation. So I am writing some equations here, like x square plus x plus 1 equals to 0. Next, next one is x plus y equals to 0, and there are many more. So I have written these four equations. Now let us classify which type of equations these are. Okay, so first one is x square plus x plus 1 equals to 0. So this is a polynomial equation having one variable, that is x. Okay, having highest degree as 2. So this is a quadratic equation. As you have already learned this in your 10th class. Okay, so next, see, in this type of equation there are some trigonometric functions used, like sin x. Okay, or there may be cos x, tan x, other trigonometric functions may be there. So this type of equations are known as trigonometric equations. Okay, this you have already learned in your 11th class, means in chapter 3rd. Okay, so next is x plus y equals to 0. So this is another type of polynomial equation. In this there are two variables x and y, and the degree of x and the other term is this, that is its degree is 1. So this term degree is 1, this term degree is 1. So this is a linear equation in two variables. So this type of equation is known as linear equations in two variables. Now next, see, what is this dy by dx? This type of equations involve differentiation of y with respect to x. So this type of equations are known as differential equations. So these are called differential equations. In this chapter, we will study about these differential equations. Okay, so the next topic of this chapter is order of differential equations. Next topic is order. Okay, so order. Okay. Suppose y is equals to x, okay, and I am differentiating it with respect to x. So what I am getting is dy by dx equals to 1. So what can I say about this? This is first order derivative, because here the power is 1, means we are derivating this particular linear equation one time. So this is first order derivative. Okay, now again I am differentiating this equation with respect to x. So it will become d square y over dx square, and when we differentiate constant with respect to x or y, whenever we differentiate constant, we will get 0. Okay, so this differential equation is known as second order derivative, because here we are differentiating the given equation 2 times. So as here power is also 2, so we will classify this as second order derivative. Similarly, if I have written it like this will be third order derivative. Okay, this will be fourth order derivative, and so on. This will be nth order derivative. Okay, so first order derivative sometimes be represented as like this also. So this and this means the same. This is also first order derivative. Okay, so second order derivative we can represent it like this, y double dash. Okay, sometimes this is also represented as this. Okay, so third order. Okay, but for higher orders we can't use this method. Suppose I want to write 10th order, so I want to put here 10 bars. Okay, that is not feasible. If I have to write nth order differential equation, so it is not feasible for me to put n dash. Okay, so for higher orders we generally use this notation. Okay, for first, second and third we can use these okay, so this is what order of differential equation. Okay, now my question is, if some differential equation is written in the form like d square y over dx square plus 2 dy by dx equals to 5, then what you will say about what will be the order of this differential equation? See, we are confused here. This is first order and this is second order. So what you will say about the order of this differential equation? Okay, so when there are a mixture of orders, so what you will do is you will take the highest order. Okay, you will take the highest order as the order of that differential equation. So see here, this is first, this is second, which is higher? Second. So the order of this differential equation is 2. Okay, so this is all about differential equations. Okay, I will give you some questions after completing. Now next, degree. Okay, so next degree.